Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have 2 Walmart beauty boxes here. They both came like a day apart, so I was like, yes, thank you. They didn't like arrive a week apart. I hate holding boxes, but I'd like to do like Ipsy and Ipsy together and Walmart together. This is a seasonal box. You get 4 a year. Obviously, you know, seasonal, so, you know, spring, summer, fall, and winter. They are $7 plus tax each season. You get 5 items, you get samples, you get full sizes, and I have a click and go link that'll take you right to the Walmart beauty box. This one seems heavier than this one. I literally just slit the plastic off of them. So let's do the one that's lighter first. I'll take that plastic off. And this one is Beauty Box Fall, and it's V1. That helps you. And the other one is, does it say? Yeah, the other one's V5. So they're 2 different boxes, which is good. And Walmart's usually pretty good with that. So we'll give a little sneak peek here into the box. Can't beat this. Now, the Meyer Beauty Box was definitely a better bargain for $4.99, but this is good for $7. Oops. So it says Fall Haul. Oh, my card hardly has anything on it for here. Oh, I see some good stuff. But I'm okay with that. First thing from Luna Magic, Happy X. There's 2 set of lashes there. Somebody will love these. I don't wear false lashes. Hashtag natural lashes, unless I wear magnetic. But for the majority of the time, these are really pretty. I don't know prices, but these are probably, oh, it says a full size, $7.62. So that's nice. We have a sample. Well, this is a sample, but it's a full-size pack from Liquid IV. These are great. I have like these. This is Yuzu Pineapple. Now, I have never tried this. This is like an electrolyte energy drink type thing. My mom uses them occasionally. You know, if she's feeling a little off. Looks like, Now, we did get this. What did this come in? Oh, this came in the Meyer box. I threw the other ones. I think I had 3 of them, obviously. I used one just to see. I do not like Suave on my hair, so I'll probably get rid of this too. No good for me whatsoever. I just don't like the way it makes. My hair is used to a higher quality shampoo and conditioner, I've tried them in the past. I used them when I was younger, Suave, all the time. I don't like it whatsoever. So that won't get used by me. So then this here is from Ambi. Even and Clear Facial Moisturizer with Sunscreen. So we have a little sample pack. Okay. Here, this is a good size from Hempz. Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. Now, we just got that. Where did Hempz come from? I actually have them right here. Was this Ipsy? Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. I have 2 of those. And this is body moisturizer, so I'm sure it's still going to smell the same. Yeah. You can smell a little bit of the melon, more the pineapple, because it's a stronger smell. Happy to have that. Let's see. We have a card here for that Liquid IV, a little card. And look, a headband. And this is from Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. That's really pretty. It's like a sweater material. I'm not going to pop it off. That's really cute. I mean, I might wear that one just to get it all back, especially when, you know, you don't feel like playing around with hair. My mom, 92 years old, 92 or 93? 92. Wears headbands all the time. But that one's really nice. I might keep that one for myself. So we have a headband, which is going to be full size. Let me see if it gives you, and lashes are full size. If it gives a price on any of the, yeah, the headbands are anywhere from $3.88 to $5.88. And the rest are samples. They're saying this is, yeah, sample. Eyelashes are full size. So that's not bad. I'm not angry at that. No, not at all. We'll put that box aside. Not bad. And let me pull this plastic off of this one. And then we'll see why this one seems heavier. And like I said, this is V5, so a little different. Oh, I see why it's slightly heavier. So a little shampoo and conditioner in there. You know, Fall Haul Let me see. Yeah, this has a few more products listed on the inside. So we're going to start out with this first one. It says, from Maybelline, Curl Bounce. We have a sample mascara. Nice. And then this is Garnier Fructis. And this is the, this is Fortifying Conditioner, Vitamin E, and Argan Oil. Not bad. I will give that a try. Now that's, I mean, granted, they're not full size, but that's a nice sample size. I'm not unhappy with that at all. I'll save this for last. We have another liquid IV in the same flavor. Thank God there's no shampoo in here. And what is this from Thayers? Very nice Thayers, their facial toner. So to give you a little sample. I wonder if this is like a pad. Yeah, it's one pre-soaked pad in there. I have Thayers toner. It's very nice. I like it. Witch Hazel is very good for your skin, and I do believe Witch Hazel is in there. So this one's not bad. Let me show you the headbands that came in this one. Same Hairitage. Let me take them out of the wrap. And it's this style, you know, where you have the it's more like a, you know, a full around tie. You know what I mean? Like almost like turban style, but not actually a turban. These are nice. Cream and brown are the colors. Ivory and red bronze, that says. Now that's more of a brown. Let me see if they're the same, fall in the same price category. Yeah, $3.88 to $5.88. And I don't think anything else here is full size. I don't think the mascara is. Now that doesn't look like it is, but that's nice. It's not bad for $7. I mean, right here, I mean, these are probably on the ones that are a little bit more expensive. I don't know. I mean, $4 to $5, $4 to $6, somewhere in there. And then getting the shampoo and conditioner. Now, like if you're traveling, these are great to take traveling. Let me see, sizes 3 fluid ounces. So you can get away with that. But that's a lot of shampoo and conditioner. I mean, if you're going away for 2 weeks, you'd come home with some. You see, I don't mind. Like if I took this when I went away, I don't mind throwing it away and not bringing it back. Then you don't have to be hassled with it. This is like perfect size to take away. Packing to go away. A sample mascara. I'm never going to say no to that. So they are my Walmart beauty boxes for fall. And I have V1 and V5. Do you get the Walmart beauty box? And if you do, what version did you get? Did you get a different version than I got? Would love to hear in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.